This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 83 of building Kitt from Knight Rider. This issue is a little standalone build. We're starting on the front wings. The bonnet, side of the bonnet wings. Not, he hasn't got wing. He can fly, but only for short distances using turbo boost. And in the series, we're looking at Circus Knights, episode 22 from season 3. Another season almost finished. I love the circus, and the world needs all the circuses it can get, said Devin. Cool. Circus driving stuff. There we go. Not a very exciting episode by the looks of the pictures. Well, no, I tell a lie. There's fire and explosions, so yes, he's jumping through fiery hoops. All good stuff. So yes, this is what we are doing. We're doing the indicator light onto the right wing. And that's it. Basically, we're putting the indicator light on. It's not a light, it's a reflecting light rather than a bulb light. We're just fitting that in there, and that's that. And then we'll end up with all of these bits. I'm not going to get all these bits together quite yet, but that's what we have so far. Very, very cool. Next time we're going to start putting bits together. We're putting things onto the body, obviously that wing and things. So that will be quite interesting. Looking at Kitt's tyres, because obviously they set fire to them before. So it's explaining about what they're made from and things of that nature. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get the wing and get the indicator fitted to it. And there it is. This is the front right wing. I don't know about that, like an air intake or something on there. I don't recall that. But then again, I don't recall much of the small details. I'd recognise it if it drove down the road, but that's about it. We've got a couple of EM screws provided, which, so I say a couple, they've provided like, 4 or 5 or something. We're going to need 2 of them. Oh, there's 3 in there. So one we will keep for later. All we're doing is fitting this indicator into that gap there. We've got the orange bit. That is the actual indicator itself. That goes on there and sort of comes through the front a little bit. And then that goes over the top and holds it in place. It's got to go that way around. So it's sort of got the cut out bits in the right place. I've got to get in the right way around. It is that way around. Go on there just like that, and that's how it looks. It's got this sort of shaping behind for some reason. Not entirely certain what that's for. We'll just double check the instructions, because I thought I don't need the instructions for this. I'll put them away. But always best to double check and make sure. I will. Let's have a look. Yeah, that is going that way round, and that is that way round. So, yeah, I am indeed correct in my positionings of that. The R's are both the right way up. We've got 2 screws to put in. Where's my screwdriver? Over there. Look, you can see it. You can see it. I can't see it. So we'll get these in place, top and bottom, and that will be this issue complete. Don't be too upset that it's a short issue, because next time is going to be quite a bit more involved, I believe. So yeah, I'll get these tightened up, and when we will put this aside until next time, when we're going to be fitting things to it and then fitting it to the car itself. So, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. If you're building along with me, let me know. Leave a like and a comment and things, and let me know how you're getting on. And I will see you for the next issue very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.